S.N. Pradhan is the DG of the NDRF. Dr. Mrityunjay Mahapatra is the DG of the IMD. And Roxy Matthew Cole is a climate scientist at the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology from Pune. First of all, Mr. Pradhan, you said today that the NDRF faces massive challenges to carry on the restoration work due to the timing of the storm when India is on the one hand dealing with COVID-19. So it's a two-front war. How do the challenges become greater because of the fact that this is happening at the time of COVID?
Absolutely, Arnab. This is a challenge that is unprecedented. That's the first word that comes to the mind. This is two super disasters. One is superimposed on the other, so to say. There is a super epidemic. We call it a pandemic in the shape of COVID-19. And there is a super cyclone, which is only the second of its kind in the Bay of Bengal in the history of independent India. So these are both formidable challenges, and they have to be dealt with together or simultaneously. And it has been a sharp learning curve for the NDRF. We are normally used to handling cyclone situations or extensive floods, which we did in 2019, only the last year. But this is not something that we had anticipated. But I think...
Which is the worst affected part, and can you give us some scale of it? Because the death toll rose sharply because there were reports and there were many casualties who were found in the aftermath of Amphan.
Well,
have we fully assessed the nature of the damage yet, or are you still exploring how deep and devastating the damage has been?
I think that's the case, very much the case in typical super cyclone or extremely severe cyclone. It takes not 1 or 2 days or even 48 hours would not be enough to have a fair judgment of exactly the nature of damage in terms of life and property. So it will take some time, and one has to be very patient and diligent about it. The state government has to exercise due diligence, and it may just find that there'll be probably more deaths or even more destruction in terms of the quantity and the value. But then that is the nature of the beast, so to say. In the case of Cyclone Foni last year, we had a final toll of 64 deaths, but we arrived at that toll only after about 10 to 12 or 15 days. So that's the nature of the whole thing, and we have to be patient about it. But that is precisely the reason why we must come down to a final figure after all the efforts and due diligence.
Dr. Mrityunjay Mahapatra, this cyclone is expected now to travel towards the northeast, towards Assam next.